pets and how to take care of them. Tom's Magic English. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the most common pets and how to take care of them. Let's start. Dog. Walk the dog. Feed the dog. Give the dog water to drink. Play with the dog. Wash the dog. Cat. Feed the cat. Give the cat water to drink. Play with the cat. Give the cat a litter box. Fish. Give the fish a fish tank. Feed the fish. Clean the fish tank. Give the fish enough lighting. Bird. Give the bird a large cage. Give the bird water to drink. Feed the bird. Play with the bird. Hamster. Feed the hamster. Give the hamster water to drink. Give the hamster exercise. Trim the hamster's nails. Play with the hamster. Guinea pig. Feed the guinea pig. Give the guinea pig water to drink. Give the guinea pig exercise. Trim the guinea pig's nails. Play with the guinea pig. Snake. Give the snake the right enclosure. Give the snake enough lighting. Feed the snake. Give the snake water. Clean the snake enclosure. Lizard. Give the lizard the right enclosure. Give the lizard enough lighting. Feed the lizard. Give the lizard water. Clean the lizard enclosure. Turtle. Give the turtle the right enclosure. Give the turtle enough lighting. Feed the turtle. Give the turtle water. Clean the turtle enclosure. Rabbit. Give the rabbit enough space. Feed the rabbit. Give the rabbit water to drink. Groom the rabbit. Play with the rabbit. Horse. Feed the horse. Give the horse water to drink. Give the horse good housing. Give the horse regular exercise. Groom the horse. Pig. Feed the pig. Give the pig water to drink. Give the pig exercise. Clean the pig space. Mouse. Give the mouse a cage. Give the mouse bedding. Feed the mouse. Give the mouse water to drink. Clean the mouse cage. Play with the mouse.